Hair loss is a significant emotional journey for literally almost all of my patients. The fact of the matter is hair loss can erode your self-confidence. It can have pretty significant issues, unfortunately, from a societal standpoint and sometimes even a vocational standpoint. And for many people, they suffer years and years of hair loss thinking, I don't know whether I should go along through this. It seems too expensive. It seems too invasive. Well, we have changed that scenario. We have come up with a way to do this in a very concealed manner. We offer financing to make the procedure doable that it meets your financial needs. And we can do this in a way that is oftentimes staggered. Many people think they have to do everything at once, or they look online and they see that patients are getting 4,000 or 5,000 grafts done cheaply in a foreign country and think that that's acceptable. Well, oftentimes it's not, because many of those patients come back for me to fix donor sites that have been over-harvested or extract hairlines that are far too low and too straight. It's important that you have a consultation with a medical doctor, not a sales team, and look at this as a medical procedure that is going to greatly improve your quality of life and mental status. We see it over and over. People come back at follow-up and they're a changed person. Many have lost weight, they're working out. Many of our patients are in a life transition where they've gone through, say, the death of a spouse or divorce, or they've been through chemotherapy or some kind of life event. And this is part of the equation to create a new beginning for somebody. So if you're interested in hair transplantation and you're concerned about the emotional and financial impact, we've got solutions for you. Give us a call at 678-845-7521 or go online and book a consult at nahairrestoration.com. Don't wait another minute to change your life. Book your consultation right now.